This song's about Peters. He's a jerk and a cheater, a criminal that escaped from jail.
Yeah.
You've been so annoying lately, but you've been failing greatly. You deserve a spanking, I'm your tail.
Yeah. You have the worst opinions. You hide behind your minions. Why don't you ever show your chin? I think you cover up your nose because you never wash your clothes. You actually smell 10 times worse than Elvin's toes.
We're not scared of your big army. We'll crush them just like a green bean. You'll go run back to your mommy. Whoa.
Your hackers lose when they attack. I doubt that they know how to hack. Now listen to this bomb, this track. I'd love to see you try and find me. We took you down in 2020. You'll be so scared you'll probably pee. You're just a bully. Whoa. Allie hates you, you're a horrible brother. I bet you can't bowl, it just goes in the gutter.
I think you should just go run back to your mother. You kind of resemble a stinky cow's udder. Your hackers lose when they attack. I doubt that they know how to hack. I bet Will Smith gives you a slap.
Your fashion sense makes me want to cringe. You don't look new.